Hi, this is David from Smartworld. We're in a Chery Tigo Pro Max, and I know that some of you have issues with Android Auto connection being not stable and dropping off all the time with the factory inbuilt adapter. So what I'm going to show you is a solution. You go to local settings, you turn off hotspot, you go into Bluetooth and turn off a Bluetooth so it doesn't connect with your mobile phone automatically. Then use this little dongle, is the AA Micro AA wireless adapter from Smartworld. It's very small, very tiny, and just plug it into the USB port of your Chery and just wait a few seconds and you will see it will automatically connect with your Android Auto wireless, and it's going to keep a wireless connection stable so you don't be suffering of being on the road and dropping off Android Auto connection with your car. So make it easy and more functional. So it's almost there. It's connecting with the mobile phone, I guess. Yeah, it's getting connection and starting Android Auto. So you will see, just connects, plugs in, and as good as the factory one with all the different apps, maps and everything, exactly the same way as you have been using it before. So this is the AA Micro AA wireless Android Auto adapter from Smartworld to solve Chery wireless connection with Android Auto. And if you want to find more solutions, go to www.smartworldcompany.com.